How's it going, YouTube? New video, same shirt. Got the front suspension all mocked in. We'll talk about some parts here, I guess. It's a Wilson Welding 45 fin Buick drum brake setup. Super nice, super old school, guys. It's a 48-inch Super Bell drilled I-beam. Set of split wishbones. I've had this front end for well over a decade now. It was underneath the front of my Model T that I was building years ago. I have to cut these brackets off. I was doing a spring behind setup, and I'm gonna actually reuse those brackets later on here. We'll see that. Had a buddy of mine with a lathe, machined me some bungs. So these bungs here, 3/4 inch thread for a set of rod ends. Made them into a little bracket like this that I'm just gonna simply weld underneath the frame like this to locate the front end. Rear suspension's a transverse leaf. Super cheap Speedway mounting kit. It's just tacked in place right now. Got to get everything mocked up. I can't finish the rear end until the engine and transmission is in the car. I have to set pinion angle based off of the engine and transmission. So that's what we're going to be working on today. Let's get the tripod set up and get started. All right, well, engine and transmission are set up on some jack stands. It's pretty freaking off center, not gonna lie. So I've decided that the easiest method here is going to be actually to position the chassis under the engine and transmission. Them moving on a chain, it's not so easy to try and position them. So the chassis rolls around, we'll get it kind of set up, try and get it centered and level and get everything rolling here. Okay, got the engine and transmission leveled, centered in the frame. You can see it's pretty frickin' close. This motor mount kit, it's a Welder Series motor mount kit. Really nice TIG welds on everything. I'm gonna trace the bracket onto a piece of cardboard. Don't wanna screw the brackets up. In theory, all 4 brackets should be the same. The rear ones will have to be a little longer. So I'll probably do it twice. Make one for the front, one for the rear. Should be the same for both sides. If it's centered, should be identical. So we'll get that going, get the tripod set up. Come back to you when I got it all set up. Okay, got my little bit of CAD design, that's cardboard assisted design. Got it all set up. They fit really nice. Transferred it all onto the plates. Both sides, as I hoped, are exactly the same. Transferred it all onto the plates, just got to cut it out and we'll get it all tacked in place. On to the next time lapse. We got the motor mounts all dealt with here. Plates are cut, fitted. Brackets are the same side to side. Have a nice clearance for the radiator. Got the rad. Set it in here. I got just kind of enough nice room for the fan. And as a bonus, there's enough room to add a blower pulley there if I ever so decided in the future. Drop the back of the transmission a little bit. Get some clearance here. About a ½ inch there. Up next, I got to build the transmission cross member. I'm going to make it removable and drop out the bottom. So I think I'm going to tack these in place so they don't move. And we'll get started on the transmission cross member. Well, I've got the actual cross member itself done. I'm gonna have to make new mounts. I need to be able to drop it down a little bit more. These ones just didn't work out. Sometimes that's the way she goes. Sometimes she goes, sometimes she doesn't. Trailer Park Boys reference. So, I'll get out my cardboard assisted design, my CAD design again, and design some new tabs here, and we'll trace them out, cut them out. Okay, transmission mount is done. Nice clearance at the top here. My CAD designed brackets turned out pretty good. Pretty good for hand cut, I gotta say. Engine and transmission are fully mounted. I gotta do some, I'm gonna cap this stuff, dress it up, clean it up a little bit. My low mount alternator is gonna work out. Pretty happy with that. The weight of the drivetrain is actually sitting on the chassis right now. So it actually does, actually work. It's coming along pretty good. Anyway, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Tell me what you want to see more of. Have a good one.